Guys, welcome to my yoga journal, the first episode, the first vlog of my yoga journal today. And I have decided to start this little series for the very reason that for so many days I've been wondering about the kind of content that I should be putting out on YouTube, and I just can't seem to figure out why, but I have come to notice this every day that the thing that I wish to record the most is my yoga practice. I love doing that a lot, and so I've started. No, so I've thought that I'll start this little series today in which I will be sharing my everyday yoga journey with you guys. I'll be sharing a few snippets from my practice. I'll be sharing how I felt in my practice, during my practice, before my practice, and after my practice. And I will also be sharing a little bit about my meditation practice that I do right before my yoga practice. So that's what this series is going to be all about. I really hope it entertains you guys, and yeah, it's just something that I really feel like doing. And let's just start without wasting much time. Here's my mat. There's Pablo. He's waiting because he needs to go for a walk, so I'll just get done with this and take him for his walk. And until now I have done my Shavasana. I have done my Surya Namaskar variation, sort of a flow that I have come to design in the last 2 or 3 months, 2 months I would say. This is a flow that came about as a result of me wanting to practice certain basic poses every day. Because for me, I have noticed that it is very easy for me to get lost inside my head, and grounding on an everyday basis is something that I really require in order to function normally. So there are a few standing poses that I try to practice every day, and those are the ones that I just did. Maybe I'll show them to you. Maybe I should show them to you. So I'll do it again for you guys, and I'll show what it was about. But basically today I did it with my eyes closed. This morning I woke up actually quite refreshed. I got some good sleep. I had some cumin tea, and I freshened up, went to the bathroom, and I did my meditation. The meditation was good today. I did my Om chanting silently today, so it was not really chanting. Some days I like to do it silent, and some days I like to do it loud. Today was one of the silent days. Today it came a little easier to me. After the chanting, a few thoughts were in my head, but nothing too much. I came to my mat. I got interrupted 1 or 2 times, like after I did my Shavasana, before I could start my practice. So I noticed myself also getting irritated when I get interrupted in between my practice. I notice that I get really annoyed, so I try to not talk not talk too much in between my practice. And yeah, it's actually while I'm doing my poses I try not to talk too much, because I try to contain all of that inside. And now I'll just show you what I did for my first Surya Namaskar flow, and then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, I'm gonna start.
Give it on. Anyone you say, anyone you say, anyone.
that was the flow that I do to practice, to start my practice every day. And I got a little restless in between because I only do it once usually, and today I've had to do it 2 times, but had to show you guys, so of course. And now let me get back to my practice. I don't know what I'll be doing today, but for the last few days, maybe because of my bad sleeping posture, I've been having a lot of stiffness in this area and my upper back in general. So I think I'll work on that today. Let's see. That feels very good here. Oh God. Sometimes I feel like my practice just hugs me. Oh, it feels so good. So that is it for today's practice. I feel quite nice. I feel quite relaxed. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so I am finally out for the little walk with my little friend here. And I feel like I didn't give you guys too many updates after the yoga session. Well, that was because I did not feel like talking at that time. That's usually me after my yoga session, in my yoga session. Yeah, even then I'm doing these vlogs. Have to be something. But yeah, I came back here to tell you that the practice was good. I targeted the areas that were stiff today, which was these. And I do feel a lot better. The practice was not as long as I would have liked it to be, but I have a class to teach in like 5 minutes, so I'll walk him and I'll teach my class today. But I think I got what I needed from my practice today. I do feel like very prepared for the day, for the lack of a better word. So yeah, I think that is it for today's vlog, and yeah, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.